Hey friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to block someone on Snapchat. First you need to open your Snapchat application, then click on the profile icon on the upper left corner. This is the account. Let's scroll down and click on my friends. These are our friends. Let's click on the first one, click and hold, then manage friendship, then block. Let's click on block. Blocking a user prevents them from viewing your story, sending you snaps or chats, adding you as a friend, or searching for you. The other user will not be notified of this. Then click on block. Guys, we have blocked the user. Let's block this one too. Then click on manage friendship. Then we are going to click on block. Then block again. We've blocked even the second user. Guys, that's how you can block people on Snapchat, and that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, press the like button, comment, and see you in the next one.